So OnePlus is making headlines again, and this time it's for a change that will split fans into two groups. Some will love it, some not so much. OnePlus is making a big change to one of its most iconic feature, the alert slider. Yup, you heard that right, they are officially removing it from their upcoming smartphones. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. Instead, they are replacing it with a brand new customizable button. This button will still let you do all the things the alert slider used to do, like muting your phone, but it will give you even more options and features to play with. The CEO of OnePlus recently took to the company's community forum to break the news, and let's just say the reaction were a bit divided. When OnePlus made a similar move back with the OnePlus 10T and removed the alert slider, fans were not happy. And we get it, for OnePlus users that little switch wasn't just a hardware feature, it was a part of the phone's identity. But OnePlus isn't making the same mistake again. This time around they are replacing the alert slider with a customizable button similar to what Apple did with the iPhones when they introduced the action button. It's a button that can be assigned different functions, giving users more control over their device. Whether you want it to mute your phone, launch an app or adjust settings, you will have the power to decide. Now the OnePlus 13 mini is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. We are hearing rumors that it's going to be one of the first to feature the Snapdragon 8S Elite, a more refined version of the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite. Now, putting the Snapdragon 8S Elite in the OnePlus 13 mini makes a lot of sense. Since the flagship OnePlus 13 already packs the 8 Elite, it's logical for OnePlus to use the slightly less powerful 8S Elite in the mini. Of course, nothing is officially confirmed yet, but if this leak turns out to be true, the OnePlus 13 mini will be the first phone to debut with this new chipset. Now, what about the price? See, OnePlus has a history of undercutting its competitors, and if it continues the trend with the 13 mini, it could be a game changer. The OnePlus 13 is priced around $900, while the 13R starts at $600. A $750 price tag for the 13 mini would make sense, fitting neatly between the two without stepping on their toes. Plus, it would still be cheaper than rival brands. Now, you might be thinking what we can get for that price tag. Well, according to a recent report from DCS, the OnePlus 13 mini will pack a massive 6000 mAh battery. Yup, despite its small size. Alright, so if this leak holds up, the OnePlus 13 mini is shaping up to be a serious contender, packing a solid chipset, a beastie battery, and hopefully a competitive price. If OnePlus sticks to its usual pricing strategy, this phone could be a no-brainer for anyone looking for a flagship level performance without breaking the bank. So what do you all think about this OnePlus 13 mini? Drop your thoughts in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.